Matera, Italy's timeless cave city, where history and beauty meet. Welcome to Matera, Italy's hidden gem, a city that feels like stepping back in time, yet still has all the charm of a modern-day treasure. Nestled in southern Italy's Basilicata region, Matera is one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities. Trust me, you're about to explore something truly unique. Let's start with the Sassi, the heart of Matera. Now, let's talk about the Sassi de Matera. These ancient cave dwellings are what really make Matera stand out. They're carved right into the soft limestone rock, and they've been around since the Paleolithic era. We're talking thousands of years. As we wander through the two main districts, Sasso Cavioso and Sasso Barisano, you'll notice winding streets, charming stone houses, and hidden courtyards that make you feel like you've stepped into another world. Fun fact, people lived in these caves up until the 1950s. After that, they were abandoned, but in recent decades, they've been beautifully restored. Today, many of these caves are boutique hotels, restaurants, and galleries. It's a surreal experience to stay or dine in these ancient homes. A bit of history and culture. As we walk through Matera, you'll notice a mix of influences from Romans, Byzantines, Normans, and more. It's a city layered with history. Check out the rock-hewn churches and ancient monasteries along the way. They're like open-air museums. Inside some of the cave churches, you'll find frescoes that date back to the 10th century. In fact, Matera was named European Capital of Culture in 2019, which speaks to its growing cultural importance. So, if you're into art, history, or simply soaking in a city's vibe, Matera's got a lot to offer. Matera's stunning views. If you're a fan of beautiful views, you're in for a treat. Matera sits atop a rocky plateau with views overlooking the Gravina di Matera, a gorgeous canyon. From the cliffs, you can take in breathtaking landscapes, rugged hills, and ancient stone bridges. It's a great spot for hiking, or just finding a cozy terrace to relax and take it all in. Oh, and the sunsets here, pure magic. Matera in movies. Now, for all you movie buffs, Matera is a star in its own right. With its unique, otherworldly charm, it's been used as a filming location for major movies like The Passion of the Christ, and more recently, James Bond's No Time to Die. It's no wonder that filmmakers are drawn to Matera's cinematic beauty. It looks like it's straight out of a historical epic. Taste the local flavors. And of course, no visit to Matera would be complete without sampling the local cuisine. Pane di Matera, a hearty rustic bread, is a must-try, fresh and perfect for dipping in local olive oil or pairing with a slice of Caciocavallo cheese. And let's not forget about orecchietta pasta, a traditional dish from the region. It's often served with rich tomato sauce or fresh veggies, and trust me, it's as delicious as it sounds. Why you should visit Matera. So why should you visit Matera? Because it's a place where history, culture, and natural beauty come together in the most magical way. Whether you're wandering through the ancient cave dwellings, hiking the rugged landscapes, or savoring every bite of the local food, you'll find something special here. Pro tip: if you can, try to visit in spring or fall when the weather's mild and the city isn't too crowded. It's the perfect time to explore. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Matera. If you love discovering this unique city, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more hidden gems and travel tips. Leave a comment below if you've visited or are planning to explore Matera. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.